Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into a fascinating topic that intersects software development and user interfaces, specifically the DSL framework. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a DSL framework? Well, DSL stands for Domain-Specific Language, and when we apply this to frameworks like Glimmer, we're talking about creating intuitive graphical user interfaces in different environments. Imagine a world where developers can create sophisticated UI applications without getting lost in complicated coding languages. That's precisely what Glimmer aims to achieve. Whether it's for desktop applications using JRuby or web applications using pure Ruby, Glimmer provides a streamlined experience. But how does it all work? Well, let's break it down. The DSL engine is key. It sits at the core of the framework, allowing developers to define their UI layouts and functionalities in a more human-readable way. It's like building with blocks rather than trying to draw every detail freehand. And not only does it simplify the coding process, but it also aligns well with different programming environments, such as SWT for desktop applications or Opal for the web. You can seamlessly transition between contexts. How cool is that? Now here's where it gets really interesting. When we talk about the data binding library within this DSL framework, we're discussing how effortlessly the UI elements can connect and respond to data changes in real time. Imagine updating a field in your application, and instantly, all related UI components reflect that change without refreshing or reloading the entire system. It's like tuning into a live concert. You don't want to miss a beat. But for those who are new to this kind of technology, it can feel a bit daunting. So let's make it relatable. Have you ever tried to assemble furniture without clear instructions? Frustrating, right? A good DSL framework is like having a user-friendly manual with step-by-step guidance. It empowers developers to build applications that are not only fully functional, but also engaging and visually appealing. As we explore the Glimmer DSL framework further, think about the potential it unlocks. Every developer out there can bring their ideas to life with fewer barriers and more creativity. What do you think the future holds for GUI development with frameworks like Glimmer? Will we see an explosion of innovative applications as barriers to entry drop? In wrapping up, we've covered the basics of the DSL framework and its essential components, like the DSL engine and data binding library. Remember, whether you're developing for desktop or web, Glimmer opens up a world of possibilities, empowering developers to create more accessible, engaging user interfaces. So, here's a thought to leave you with. As technology continues to evolve, how do you envision the role of DSL frameworks shaping the future of user experience? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep exploring the world of software development.